It's a huge privilege to have the blockbuster director Rohit Shetty with us here in Hyderabad. Huge pleasure to have you back on Bollywood Hungama once again, Rohit.
Thank you, Faridun.
It's always a pleasure to be on your sets because the sort of जो एक camaraderie आपके sets पे होती है and lightness. In fact, I just saw कि आपने जब backup बोला है वहाँ पर, that was funny as well. How do you manage that?
See, because these are my family, I would say. Like they've been with me for so many years now. It's been 10 films, and they've been with me through all my ups and downs. And half of the year I spend with them. I would say like 8 months of my. Every year, 8 months of my life I spend with them. So it's like I'm working with my friends, I'm working with my family, and I think all the happiness what we share comes on screen.
Right.
I would say.
Okay. Now, Singham returns. We are on the sets of that. Now, Singham is one of the films out of all your films. कि you know, अगर कोई film का एक reference point, I think आपके career में बनेगा. That's what I personally feel. That'll be Singham because it's something जो कि एक benchmark बन चुका है. That you know, बच्चे की ज़ुबान पे इस film के character के बारे में और dialogues के बारे में एक जानकारी है. Do you feel some extra pressure when you're making a sequel or something like this?
Not really. See, I don't take that kind of a pressure because all you need to do is work hard. And be better than your previous self, I would say. And yes, keep a reality check. Like, okay, if your film has done well, it doesn't mean that next film will also do well. Or you can't take your success for granted. You can't take your audience for granted. So you need to work more hard. And we do. And especially for me, it becomes like, because I'm a commercial filmmaker, 70% of the audience, they love my film, 30% they don't like this kind of cinema. So you have to be very careful to cater the 70% of the audience who love you so much. So yes, I don't take pressure, but what I do is try to work more hard than what I have done in Chennai Express. I would say that I give more energy to my next project. Like I've given more energy to Singham Returns than Chennai Express.
You've always been vocal about your opinion about critics and everything, but the fact is that at heart you're an extremely simple person. Some people will say that critics के बारे में आपके views extreme हैं, but somehow what makes you so confident of your products as such? Is it the fact that you have a wonderful team that works together, and is it your hardworking nature, your belief in your writers and the entire team? What exactly is it?
I think there are a lot of things. A package of hard work, I would say, my team, and then my audience, and the kind of genre I make. I know that what I'm making, as I told you, that you need to have your reality check. That okay, what I'm making, everybody may not like it, but there is a huge number of people who will like it for sure. So why not cater them only? And it's now, you know, it's been years now, and now earlier it was you were fighting with 1 or 2 or 10 critics. Now there are 10,000. You know, every individual is a critic. So it's okay, fine. It's fine. Like it's part of your job now. Okay, the film will release. Few may like it, few may not like it, and then it will go to the audience, and they will like it.
Right. If I would ask Rohit Shetty that how many stars will Singham 2 will be getting, he will promptly talk about it, but so I won't ask him about that. Okay, now in Ajay Devgan's career, Singham will be a very, very important career. You know, चाहे दिलीप साहब हों, चाहे गंगा जमुना का एक रेफरेंस पॉइंट या मुगल आजम का रेफरेंस पॉइंट का होता है, अजय देवगन के लिए सिंघम का रहेगा. So in that way, what different do we see in Singham Returns as far as Ajay Devgan is concerned?
Obviously, as I told you, like the most important thing was for us was like Singham 1 was loved by everyone. Right. And if you see, it was the highest run film on satellite also. Right. It still runs on satellite after, it's been 3 years now. We made Bol Bachan, we made Chennai Express after that. So yes, and Singham is a responsibility for us because, you know, cops feel proud of this project of Singham, you know. So there is a huge responsibility, I would say, not pressure. And for that, when we started writing the film, we had this thing in mind, okay, there are a lot of people who respect this film, especially the cops, you know, because when we travel, we meet them, they will always ask me when you're making Singham. Right. So this is one film for them, so you have to be very careful while making. It's a commercial film. It has all the ingredients what my other films had or what Singham had, but obviously there is a serious issue we are dealing with this time, and how to cater this serious issue in a commercial way is what we worked on, and I think people will like it. Yeah.
Right.